Hey gouache lovers, and hello newbies. It's me Tracy Ann, and you're on my channel, Crush on Covers. I create gouache and watercolor paintings with lots of demonstration that can help you with your project or your artwork. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscription bell, like, and you will get more tutorials and demonstration on videos when I have them out. Alright, so remember to check out my P.O.D online store, which is print on demand, and that is at Redbubble for art prints and just for valued gift merchandise that you may want to purchase for someone or yourself. Alright, so become a monthly patron or buy me a peppermint latte on Ko-fi, alright, to show me your love and just to support my content. And you know, I put a lot of hard work in it. Thank you. Alright, so thanks to all my supporters. Lots of love. My viewers, lots of love. And may God continue to bless you.